What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys on the Sonus Faber, the Olympica Nova W. This is an on-wall speaker. You could use this as, typically you're going to use this as a surround speaker. In this room right here, I'm running a 7.4.6. We're going to be utilizing this for the surrounds and the surround rears. You could also potentially use this as just a front, left, and right speaker. Really high quality manufacturer, and I'm thrilled to offer this to you guys. If you would like to purchase this product or anything else that you see on our channel, make sure to reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business. We have a free consultation service where my guys are on standby waiting to FaceTime with you, Zoom with you, walk through your space, and we're gonna tailor a package to fit your exact needs and budget. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Welcome back, guys. All right, let's get into this unboxing. As you guys can see, there's some other eye candy right here behind me. We sell everything Sonus Faber. They're full line. And again, we have nationwide authority as your authorized go-to dealer. Look at these beauties. We've been drooling over them all day. All right, you got a little accessory box. First things first, whenever you open it up. So this actually does include a mounting plate. Me and the customer were talking about this earlier, if it came with it or not, so that you can actually swivel the product to tow it in towards your target listening area. Just like we're going to have these front left and rights towed in a little bit, we can tow in the rears, because high frequency audio travels line of sight. We want to make sure we're getting the optimal sound quality. You got the little string, the famous Sonus Faber string that goes over the front there, and we got some, if I can get it out of here, the screws that go on top to secure it to the mount like that, top and bottom. Really nice brushed aluminum, premium finish, looking sharp. And then got a little plastic O-ring. I'm not sure what that's for yet, but I will find out for you guys. Sonus Faber, they always include these nifty little desk covers. If you're not going to be using the system for a while, you can cover them up, or say you're going to transport them. Got your owner's manual here. Again, back to authorized reseller, guys. I know you're looking at us right now over the internet on a YouTube video. We are authorized to sell everywhere in the US. So when you're buying on the internet, it's crucial that you verify you're purchasing from an authorized reseller. God forbid something happens. And then this is kind of cool. They include this little book with all of these premium products, kind of a little brochure of all of the effort and quality it takes, all the time it takes for them to manufacture these beautiful handmade in Italy speakers. This is something you can throw on your coffee table, show off to all your friends, and say, head up to the theater and check these bad boys out. Okay, so that's the accessory box. Now on to the fun part. Let's check this speaker out. This is nice because it's very slim. Doesn't stick off the wall a bunch. Like a lot of bookshelf speakers, they'll take up 12, 14 inches to get this kind of performance. This guy's very shallow. I'll pull up the dimensions and specs here after I show it off. I try not to really dwell on that because anybody can read the specs off the internet. All right, let's see what we got here. You guys ready? Oh, I'm upside down. Oh yeah. This is the walnut finish. We do carry all the finishes. This is to match these bad boys sitting right next to me. Yes. Looking good. I'm gonna bring the camera up close for you guys so that you can check it out. What a beauty. Okay guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and spin it around so that you can see the back side as well. They always put these little tags on this series, just letting you know about the quality of the product. Natural variations in the wood grain as well as in the leather, which is processed and applied by hand, exemplify the character of Sonus Faber's handmade loudspeakers. It's clear, guys. Handmade in Italy. The quality goes without saying. Look at these binding posts. Beautiful. And you can see they number them. This is not a mass-produced product. And this is a side view. I'll do it the other way so you're not in it. This is a side view. You can see how skinny it is. It's going to sit really nice and tight to the wall. And whenever we pivot it in for our dispersion, it's going to be perfect. Alright guys, well that does conclude my unboxing video of the Sonus Faber Olympica Nova W. This is a great surround speaker and I can't wait to hear it in this theater that we're setting up right now. I'm going to be putting out a full installation video on this project, guys. This is a 7.4.6 Dolby Atmos system. We're powering it up with audio control, got JVC projection, Stewart film screens, anamorphic, 240 150-inch screen, just a bunch of industry-leading products in this room, and I just can't wait to see the customer's face when we get it fired up. I'm itching just as bad as he is. Alright, well if you guys would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.